Hey there guys, Charging Ryuki here. Real quick, to the two people who I removed their comments on that one video, you guys can kiss my ass. You kids can kiss my ass. You two right there who just insulted me. That's real quick. But this video ain't just for that. Also, I'm gonna add to earlier. You kids can grow up. Here, was just uploaded, and I've watched it at least 3 times. I'm watching it again. Psycho Kid submerges motorcycle. Oh yeah, I'm laughing. Because also I want to make clear too, I only subscribed to this fucker's channel for the Psycho videos, and that was it. That only. I am not a juggy. I never was. If I subscribe to his fucking brother's channel, does not make me one of his little brothers. Or whatever the fuck he calls them. So I want to make that clear. I am neither of their his fucking juggies, or one of his fucking little brothers. I'm neither. Now, some of his videos, latest videos, I've skipped through. And one of them, supposedly his uncle, Larry, of Larry's Lounge, got pissed off. You know, he's done all this work to help make that room, and most of the time, Jesse has done absolutely nothing. No matter what you juggies say, he has done absolutely fucking nothing. Not one thing. That actually, he actually has never done a motherfucking thing. At all, period. None. He tells his so-called friends what to do, and he does nothing. He forces the only 2 friends he actually has, if not 3, to be on his side. Tries to force his uncle on his side, and forces mom on his side. He fucking lies to her. Flat out lies to her. I could see someone getting upset about their vehicle being painted a girl color, like pink. I'd be upset, but just like Corn here said in that video, and Mark said in that video, just like anybody else who has a brain knows, unlike the juggies, the thing could be repainted. No matter what you guys think, no matter what you juggies think, this piece of shit has lost it. He's McJugger no brain, McJugger no nuts. I thought about making a video, making a bet with you guys, just seeing how long that would last before he fucks up. And it sure as hell wasn't very long. It's just something as harmful as painting a vehicle that obviously already looked like shit. Even though my bike probably, as far as we know, isn't functional, isn't running. That's a lot of money sitting right there.
Dude, you don't even have to be careful with it. Just grab the fucking bike.
Just the engine itself is just as much as the fucking bike itself. And just... He's fucking pathetic, guys. I don't see what you juggies see in him. He's not the nice guy you think he is. He's clearly showing who he really is. He's clearly showing it. He's mocking his own... He's mocking his friends. He's yelling and screaming at them. He's insulting them. Is that what you call a friend? Oh, so he just films and just turns the key and yells and screams at them again. I mean, if you wanted to get him back, all he had to do is take some paint and paint his fucking room pink. Do something just as stupid. But this is plain fucking asinine. This is fucking pathetic. Even after they got it in the fucking hole, he tells them, he commands them, or basically say, fuck it, demands that they kick it as much as they can to get it completely submerged into the fucking hole. There's no point. He can't even lift a fucking door while holding onto a camera.
Hold it. Come move the door, Corn. This is your redemption right now, dude. Get this shit out of the way.
This is absolutely fucking pathetic, guys.
Come on.
Oh, I'm just doing... Oh, some of you guys, or anyone who wants to hate on this video, that I'm just doing it to get views and get more subscribers. That I'm just bashing him for this, and you obviously are a juggy if you are doing this. If you are gonna do that. But I could really care less. You know, the 6 subscribers that I have, thanks guys. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for viewing my videos. You know, share it out. You know, help me out here. And, you know, lay some comments in the videos. I'll check your guys' videos out, and I'll subscribe too. I'll subscribe to your channels. But I know this. I've been called an asshole. I've been called a lot of things. But just like I said before earlier when I started this video, I am not a faggot. Yes, I am single. But what does that matter to you? Where do you get off mouthing mouth? Running your mouth. For what? To get some attention? Grow the fuck up. Unlike this douchebag. McJuggerqueer, McJuggernuggets, McJuggerNoBrain. He ain't never gonna fucking grow up. Neither is Jeffrey. This is fucking pathetic. Because clearly after they get it in the hole, the stupid bike in the fucking hole, he tries to make up with his friends. After he says all those things. His friends walk out on him. He thinks he's God, guys. He's not God.
I'm sick, but you try and fucking take advantage of him, man.
He should be arrested, like officially fucking arrested for all the shit that he's done. There should be, all the shit that his dad, him, his brother, all that shit. Every single bit of it. Those three fuckers should be in jail, regardless of any situation. This is fucking pathetic. Anyone who hasn't seen this video yet, go watch it. I know watching it will give him more views, more subscribers. But seriously, you juggies need to fucking pay attention. Do you really think your parents would allow you to watch this shit? Really? Some of you kids haven't even touched junior high or high school yet, and you think this guy's the greatest motherfucker in the world. Yeah, I cuss too. But I don't yell and scream like a fucking 2-year-old. Or what they call spazzing out. That it's always got to be about him. And then there's the signature, walk away, or right there in the moment, taking the shirt off. The signature scream. The signature take the shirt off. It's fucking pathetic. Pathetic. Maybe I should change my voice a little bit so they don't sound so annoying. But what do I care? Does my voice sound exactly like it does through the camera through this video? No. It does not. But I do not edit any one of my videos. Not one. I use no editor whatsoever. And for those who have seen this video, or his video, I should say, along with this one, or after this one, you can clearly see he's lost his mind. And within what? Maybe a week? Jeffrey will return. And do something just as bad. For some who already knows, who would know, Jeffrey's gonna go to his dad. His dad's gonna walk in a Morton building where he's gonna try and force his friends, if they're no longer friends after this video, to go back to work on that room. There's no point to what he's doing or what he's done in this video of his. Pathetic psycho kid submerges fucking motorcycle. Yells and forces his friends to Corn to text him. Text his friend Mark. Tells him once. And he asks an obvious question. Text or call. Yells at Corn. Yeah, I'm just, jumping around here, but I'm still ranting on this fucking video. He's obviously lost it. You can clearly see Mark and Corn not knowing what to do. Their best option was just to walk away and leave the property. Or Mark should have beat his ass, or Korn should have beat his ass. He's obviously claims to be, oh, I'm such a great badass motherfucker, I reckon nobody could touch me. But, calls his friend, this is fucking pathetic. It's just pathetic. Let me tell you something, guys. If I treated anyone at all in my family, if I treated my family this way, I wouldn't have one. I wouldn't have one at all. I'll be no longer going to Christmas or Thanksgiving. No nothing. No phone call for a happy birthday. No cards in the mail. No gifts, whether I really need them or not. No nothing. If anything, I'd probably still have a place to live at least. And I'll have a dog. Which is what I already have. But I'm just saying that for an example. Now, if I was to treat my only two friends that I have, that I trust the most, one will never talk to me again. Neither will his family. And I've helped him out. I helped his family out. It was almost like it was part of their family. I helped them out when they asked. Or, I talked to him. I spent hours with him. My other friend, he'd probably beat the hell out of me so bad that probably beat me to the inch of my life, or less. To where I'm practically dead. Or dead. He's not the type to fuck with. Now, it's great to have a friend that way. Have a friend that has your back, and not the type to fuck with. It's just. It's fucking pathetic. Basically, guy, what I'm saying is, I really have nothing. I really have nothing. But he apparently has everything, or claims he does. Claims and demands to be the center of attention. Doesn't know what it means to have a brother. Well, I have two. And a sister. Yeah, they could be considered a pain in the ass. And I know I'm kind of at odds with my younger brother, but there's no way in hell I'll take any one of my cameras or record the actions like he does and record my family all the fucking time. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that to my family, especially posting it on YouTube. I'd never do that. And it's fucking pathetic, guys. Juggies, I don't see any reason why. You kids, I don't see any reason why for you kids to think that he's the greatest thing in the world. Some little girl posted a reaction video on this.
Where are you going?
And I watched her reaction. She must have been a juggie. But she could clearly see a lot of wrong in there. You know, it's just...
I want that shit drenched. I want to be able to get it out. Good. And yours, bro?
Another thing, he should, if he wanted to make himself look so bad, he should have done all of this himself. He's getting his friends involved in this, so shit will happen to them. His uncle's already losing faith in him, especially for this stupid fucking paint fucking fight, which is absolutely ridiculous. You know, I've watched Larry's reaction, like I said, I watched Larry's reaction to that. You know, he's saying he hopes his brother Jeffrey watch this, and you know, take advantage of him. And then tells him not to fuck with him. This is, you wonder, he must have obviously did this when his parents weren't around. We're gone. Yeah, I'm watching it again. It's probably at least the 7th time I've watched this. It's not because I like it. It's just utterly pathetic. You probably hear some of it. It's just pathetic. I probably won't upload this video. Oh, shit. I probably won't upload this video tonight. It's getting pretty late. And I'll probably upload it tomorrow. But anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe. This is Char Junior Ryuki. Thank you, guys. Subscribe for more.